How to turn off keyboard key press sound and keyboard key press vibrate or vibration on your OnePlus phone with Android 16. Your OnePlus phone is most likely using the Gboard keyboard as the default keyboard. And let's just say you're about to start typing, this is going to show up like that. And in order to turn off the sound and the vibration as you're typing, tap on this setting icon right here. Once you're here, go to Preferences. And in the Preferences section, scroll down a little bit. And with the latest update, you might have to go down a bit more until you see Key Tap. You'll see sound, and it's going to tell you play sound or play when tapping keys. And if you don't want that, just turn it off and you can turn this back on at any given time. And same with the vibration. You can choose to turn it on or off or leave it on and tap here and adjust the strength of it. So if you don't want it vibrating too strong, you can adjust the strength here and then press OK. And if you don't want no vibration at all, just turn it off from here, like in said.